Look at this design. This doesn't look like a modern compact camera. It feels like a vintage collector's camera that accidentally traveled in 2026. And honestly, every scratch on this camera makes it look even better.
Take it slow, babe. Feel the night, stay. No one's right.
Hey everyone, in 2026, we already have cameras with insane autofocus, AI tracking, 8K video, crazy light performance. But somehow, this camera is still always inside my pocket. This is the Pentax MX-1, and honestly, this camera reminds me why I fell in love with photography in this first place.
But I just wanna make it last. Hey, go, hey, slow. Hey, go, hey.
You know what I realized after using so many expensive cameras? Sometimes the best camera is not the most powerful one. It's the camera you actually want to carry every day. And that's exactly what I love the MX-1. This camera is small, lightweight, easy to carry. I can bring it literally anywhere. The coffee shop, street photography, quick grocery run, random moments with the friends. No camera bag, no heavy setup, no stress.
Stay. No one's rushing. We got the time. Let the moon be our only light. Can you see? We got a love just you and me.
And honestly, using this camera is fun. Modern cameras today sometimes feel too technical, but the MX-1, it feels simple, it feels personal. You just turn it on and shoot. And because of the compact size, people don't get intimidated. That's why this is actually amazing for street photography.
Slow.
Now, obviously, this is not competing with the modern full-frame cameras, but honestly, the photos still have character. The colors have this soft cinematic look, the image don't feel every sharp or artificial, and the fast lens still gives beautiful separation, in daylight especially. This camera still looks amazing. I think one reason why cameras like this are becoming popular again is because people are tired of perfect digital images. Sometimes you want photos that feel real, photos with personality, photos with imperfections. And the MX-1 gives exactly that. For street photography, this camera is honestly underrated. It's discreet, it's fast enough, and because it looks vintage, people don't even pay attention to it. That makes shooting feels natural. But honestly, this biggest reason this camera stays in my pocket, it inspires me to shoot more. And that's something specs cannot measure. Some cameras are technically amazing, but they don't inspire you. This little camera, it makes me want to take photos. So yeah, in 2026, the Pentax MX-1 is still one of my favorite everyday cameras. It's not perfect, it's not the newest, but it has a soul. And honestly, that's something many modern cameras forget. If you're into photography that feels fun, personal, and inspiring, you might actually fall in love with this little camera too. If you're into honest camera reviews and street photography and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. And comment below, what's that one camera you can never stop carrying? See you in the next vlog.